Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza Guga step by step. Begin by gathering flour, water, salt, and yeast and measuring everything precisely, then mix to form a shaggy dough. From here we knead until smooth, let the dough rest for flavor development, and prepare toppings while the dough proofs. This approach keeps the process simple, reliable, and friendly for home cooks of any skill level. When making dough for pizza Guga, kneading and timing matter a lot. Start with a gentle knead to build gluten without making the dough tough, then let it bulk ferment at room temperature until it has expanded and shows bubbles. After dividing into dough balls, give each one a short bench rest to relax the gluten, which makes shaping easy. This sequence produces a tender, airy crust with great structure and chew. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: life is short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They last through long cooking sessions and messy kitchen adventures. Check the description for the link and other deals where you can find these socks. And if you love comfortable gear for cooks, consider grabbing a pair. Now let's get back to the video. Shaping and baking are what transform dough into pizza Guga magic. Hand stretch the dough from the center, leaving a raised edge to trap air for a light crust. Preheat a pizza stone or steel and use very high heat so the pie cooks quickly and develops blisters and char. Top lightly to prevent sogginess, slide the pizza onto the hot surface, and bake until the crust is golden, blistered, and aromatic.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.